Street, Smethwick Gorton Bridge, Wolverhampton, Telford Central, Wellington and Shrewsbury, where the train divides. Please make sure you travel in the correct part of the train. Please travel in the front 2 coaches of the train for Gabowen, Chirk, Rhuaven, Wrexham General, Chester, Shotton, Flint, Prestatyn, Rhyl, Abergele Pensarn, Colwyn Bay, Llandudno Junction, Deganwy and Llandudno. The rear 2 coaches of the train will detach and terminate at Shrewsbury. Deganwy is a request stop, and passengers for this station should ask the conductor on the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to alight.